Got to the tourist centre 2 minutes before it opens. So let's see if they give me any bullshit about the COVID. Okay, my goal today was to hike like 20 kilometers up the mountain. I'm already about 300 meters up the nice boardwalk, and already I'm knackered. I'm the first person into Heidsiekel, so hopefully I'll have a nice quiet day, as long as I'm faster than everyone else. So I just left my friend, and now I met another friend. So he's negotiating with some Tibetan people, and they're telling us we can't go up this way. We have to go a different way using their horses. Maybe I made a bit of a mistake. I should have listened to the Tibetan guy. Even though on the map it doesn't look far or steep, because we're at 4,000 meters. This path is really difficult. Jesus Christ. It's getting hard. The view is so nice. Okay, I'm torn what to do. I don't want to go back down that road because it's not very good. The other road is up there, and that heads back to the entrance. This road is impossible. This doesn't go back anyway, it goes to the top of the mountain. But I don't think I can get to the top of the mountain. Don't have enough time or energy. Just come across this stone house on the mountain. Bloody dead yak carcass. Okay, after searching for the actual road back, the alternate road back, I think I found it here. I found a route home on top of the mountain, but I feel like it's not going to be a good road, you know. I made a big mistake coming on this road. It's okay. I haven't seen a person for around 4 hours now. This is the view I have. Okay, I'm at a crossroads. I can either go back the way I came, the quick way down, apparently, or the longer way back to the entrance. I'm going to sit and think for a while. This is the latte I made this morning, which is coming in bloody handy at the moment. Jesus. So after that crazy day, I finally found a place to camp, and to be honest, it was amazing. Apart from the crazy loud, like, river sound at night, it was really, really amazing place to camp.
think I had the worst night's sleep ever last night. My sunburn on my head and my ears and my neck meant I just couldn't lie on anything.
Welcome to Balangshan, or Balang Mountain, a majestic windswept range that rises to form a natural bridge between the Sichuan Basin and the Tibetan Plateau. Balangshan, located near the renowned Siguniangshan, is one of China's hidden gems, a rugged wilderness where the mountains seem to scrape the sky and the air is thin and pure. At its highest point, Balangshan towers at over 5,000 meters, making it a dramatic, challenging and awe-inspiring landscape. For travelers willing to brave its steep winding roads, Balangshan offers a once-in-a-lifetime journey through the heart of China's high-altitude wilderness. This journey begins at the Balangshan Pass, where icy winds cut through the air and jagged peaks unfold in all directions, a testament to nature's grandeur. From here you can see both sides, Sichuan's fertile valleys below, and the Tibetan Plateau stretching out into the horizon, an endless sea of rugged terrain and boundless beauty. Balangshan is famous not only for its towering peaks, but also for its unparalleled natural diversity. During spring and summer, the slopes of Balangshan come alive in a breathtaking display of wildflowers, with fields of bright rhododendrons, delicate blue poppies, and patches of rare alpine flora carpeting the mountainside. When autumn arrives, the landscape is painted in hues of fiery red, gold, and orange, a striking contrast against the snowy peaks. Yet, beyond the vivid colours, the mountain offers something else: solitude and peace. The rugged terrain and remote roads discourage large crowds, leaving the mountain almost untouched by time. It's a place where silence fills the air, and the only sounds are the wind, the occasional call of a bird of prey, and the quiet movement of wild animals hidden in the forests. Balangshan is also home to a host of rare species, many of which are endemic to this high-altitude habitat. Lucky travellers may catch a glimpse of the elusive snow leopard, whose presence adds an air of mystery to the peaks, or the golden, snub-nosed monkey as they move gracefully through the forests. The mountain's flora and fauna thrive under careful conservation efforts, making Balangshan a sanctuary for wildlife and an ecological treasure. But Balangshan isn't just about flora and fauna. It's also about the people who call this land home. Nestled within these mountains are Tibetan communities whose traditions stretch back for centuries. Here, prayer flags wave in the crisp mountain wind, and small villages offer a glimpse into a way of life shaped by the mountains. These communities add warmth to Balangshan's cold heights, offering travellers hospitality in the form of yak butter tea and a chance to experience the heart of Tibetan culture. For those looking to truly embrace the mountain's raw beauty, the winding road to Balangshan Pass offers unmatched viewpoints, but also a challenge. Balangshan is not simply a mountain, it's a journey into the heart of China's wild, a place where beauty and solitude coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're there to explore its rugged slopes, marvel at its wildflowers, or simply stand in awe at the top of the world, Balangshan is a landscape that promises to stay with you long after you've left its heights. And now, my motorbike is stuck in the mud.
If I can get here, all will be fine. If. So, my motorbike's stuck in the bloody mud. So I had to go all the way into town to buy a rope. And the crazy thing was, the man I met on the mountain yesterday actually stopped on the road. So crazy. So, we went all the way back into town, 40 minutes. And then all the way back here we bought a rope which cost 90 yuan, and now we're back. The worst part is putting all your wet clothes on and coming back into the mud, you know. And now I have to tie this up somehow. Oh. Ow. What are you getting?
I don't know what happened here, but I seem to have lost the videos where he actually pulled me out of the mud, which I was super grateful for.
But maybe if you can, 你可以开这个方向. Yeah, well, I'm like here. Because I will come this side.